We've had a lot of victories, but we haven't had a victory on health care. We're disappointed.
President Trump told reporters he's very unhappy that Congress couldn't pass a health bill.
Let Obamacare fail. It'll be a lot easier. And I think we're probably in that position where we'll just let Obamacare fail. We're not going to own it. I'm not going to own it. I can tell you the Republicans are not going to own it. We'll let Obamacare fail, and then the Democrats are going to come to us and they're going to say, how do we fix it? How do we fix it? Or how do we come up with a new plan?
Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell announced a plan to vote on an old piece of legislation that completely repeals Obamacare, but only after a 2-year transition period to give Republicans time to find a replacement.
Passing the repeal legislation will allow us to accomplish what we need to do on behalf of our people.
But at least 3 Republican senators are no votes on the repeal-only plan. That's enough to kill it. They say there needs to be a replacement ready to go first.
I believe it would cause the insurance markets to go into turmoil, and I don't think it is the right way to proceed.
Democrats say it's time for Republicans to deal with them.
We're ready to sit down right now. If Republicans abandon cuts to Medicaid, abandon huge tax breaks for the wealthy, and agree to go through the regular order, through the committees.
If anyone is benefiting from Obamacare now, they will continue to be protected. They have nothing to worry about. However, those who have been hurt by Obamacare, for instance, people whose premiums have gone up dramatically, or those who've had their deductible go up dramatically, they are still going to be hurt.
But what's next for people in our area who have Obamacare?
For the time being, nothing has changed. The law is fully in effect, and everybody watching should consider either re-signing up for coverage or signing up for coverage.
In New York, we're fortunate because we have a really forward-thinking state government which has already spent millions of dollars in Medicaid redesign and reform, and so people, whether you're private insured or public insured through Medicare or Medicaid, we're going to be okay.
Now, the vote for a clean repeal could come as early as tomorrow, and even though the numbers aren't there, the votes aren't there to pass it, the Republican Senate leadership is looking to get lawmakers on the record. In the newsroom, Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.